What's up everybody, it's your girl Tammy coming to you with another video. And as you can see behind me, the closet is still not fixed, so we're gonna do that today. And I've just been exhausted. I've just been taking breaks because if I don't take breaks, yeah, exactly. So I just been taking breaks, so we need to get this done today so that I can actually finish cleaning up my room, because my room is a whole mess right now. So let's get ready for this. Let me get ready. You got this. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put all the clothes back and actually fix them because I don't know what I've been doing. So yeah, let's start. So like I was saying, I'm gonna put all the clothes I frequently wear on that side, and then everything else I'm gonna put them, like my church clothes, my work clothes, I'm gonna put them on the other side. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna grab like the coat. I think I have so many coats that I didn't take into account the coats and the jackets. So I think I'm gonna put all the coats in that little section right there, and then all the clothes in those two sections. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, let's get to it, because I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it, and I don't know. So we're gonna figure it out as we go. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, that is it for this side of the closet. There's still more because I don't have all of my jeans in here. I don't have all of my sweaters in here, and I definitely don't have all of my jackets. So this is what it's looking like so far. Now onto the other side, and I also gotta organize the shoes, which is gonna take a whole lot of more time. So we're gonna do the other side. For this side, I'm thinking of the dresses used to be in the back, so I'm thinking of bringing them to the front, and then the long dresses and the bodysuits, the evening dresses and the bodysuits can go on that corner. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do with this side of the closet. So with this side of the closet, so I think that's what I want to do with that side. I'm putting all the dresses up here, and then all the shirts, the pants, and all the shirts, the pants, and everything else, the blazers and stuff. I'm just gonna put them around the back right there, that way, because I really mostly reach out for the dresses on Sundays. So I'm just gonna put the dresses on that corner and then figure out how I want everything else to go, like accessories and stuff like that, how I want them to go. So yeah, that's the plan. Let me just put this right here. So that's the plan. Let's just get to it. I wore this once, but it's linen, so it gets wrinkled really fast, and I'm like, by the time I sit and stand in church, it's already a wrinkled mess. So I was like, why? But it's linen, so I don't fault it. So will I wear it again? I don't know, but I want to. I do want to wear it again, so but I have to figure out how I'm gonna wear it and for it not to be wrinkled. So I'm gonna do that and figure it out. But yeah, this dress is one of my faves. This dress is one of my favorites, and these two are amazing. They look good. They really look good on me. I make them look good. I love this dress, and this one is my favorite winter dress. It's just a plain black dress with the sleeves in the back. I love this dress so much. I love to wear it in the winter, so if you see me wear it, mind your business, because that's my favorite dress. If you see me wear it in winter, mind your business, because this dress is not going anywhere, and I'm gonna keep wearing it. I gotta get my money's worth. So I thought I had more dresses in this, but that's it for the dresses. So I'm just gonna move them up so that I can put the rest of the stuff on here and have space for them. So I could swear I had more dresses than that, but I guess not. I don't think I need to put them all the way up, but we'll figure it out when we are done. If I have to move them again, I'm just gonna do that off camera because that's gonna be too much for you guys to see me arrange. Alright, so this is the dresses. These are all the dresses. Oh, I have one more dress. Hold on. I almost forgot about this dress. This dress is a moment. It is a moment. Every time I wear it, it's a moment. The dress is iconic, so I'll probably insert a picture of me wearing this dress because it's so iconic. So yeah, the dress is a moment in itself. So I'm gonna put that here. And I actually have like other dresses that I need to put on a hanger and put it here, but alright, so now we're gonna do the pants. I'm gonna do the pants, the shirts, and everything else because I think I don't wear them all the time, and I also don't really wear them to church, so they are kind of a mix of the two in a way. So I'm just gonna put it in and put them all here on that half of the closet. I'm gonna put them all on that half of the closet, and then we can hurry up and go. So these are the clothes that I would often reach. These are the clothes that I would often reach to go to church. So I'm gonna put it with these, but facing the other direction. And the pants. These are like sweaters, and these shirts, the casual kind of shirts. So I'm just gonna put them facing this way. That way I know which part is which. And then all the accessories will probably go in the back here, so I'm gonna do that. everybody, this is what I have so far. I'm gonna do a tour of everything that I just did in a few minutes. I still got more clothes out here on my bed, but everything is already off of the living room, so I'm just gonna maybe do laundry, and everything that's not in there, just grab a hanger, put it in there, and then yeah, so far this is what I have. I still got the shoes to fix and all my luggage pieces that I have to put in here. So yeah, let me show you what I got so far, and then we can end this part of the video here. So let's go. So this is how everything looks. The dresses by length. So the longer length are in the back, and then the shorter dresses are in the front. And then these are shirts and pants and skirt that I usually wear for church. And this is all the casual outfits and stuff like that. This is the jackets and the stuff that I wear every day. So yeah, this is what I have so far. I'm gonna have to do a part 3 of this video. I'm gonna have to do a part 3 of these videos, because I have to put my shoes in here and I have to basically complete it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks. Bye.